Hello student, in previous video we have seen about the electron dot structure of saturated hydrocarbons. In that we have studied about ethane, AEN, alkane, C2H6 and how the valence electron share and form a covalent bond to each other. Here you can see the ethane, here the two carbon atom, it is combined with the one covalent bond, single covalent bond. So this kind of hydrocarbon we known as a saturated hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon which is connected with the single bond of covalent, then it is known as a alkanes, means the saturated hydrocarbon. And in that we have seen about the ethane and the common name, that is alkane, ANE. Now let's see the name, molecular formula and structural formula of saturated hydrocarbon, and it is also known as alkanes. There is a main 6 alkanes are given over here, and the name of the alkane is based on the how many number of carbon atom is present in the structure. Suppose the one carbon is there, then it is known as a methane. 2 is there, then it is known as a ethane. 3 is there, then it is known as a propane. 4 for the butane, 5 pentane and 6 hexane. Now in this video we will see about the electron dot structure of unsaturated hydrocarbon. The previous we see, that is of saturated hydrocarbon, means only a single bond hydrocarbon. Now in this we will see about the double bond or triple bond, means we can say that it is an unsaturated hydrocarbon. As we see previously that for a double bond the suffix ene is used, ethene, it's called the ethene. And the formula of ethene, here the two carbon is there, that's why it is known as ethene. And the regular general formula for the ethene is CN H2N minus 2. So final formula that we get is C2H4. Now let's see the how the electron dot structure of ethane. As we know that the carbon possesses a 4 valence electron and hydrogen possesses 1 valence electron. So the hydrogen electron is denoted by the dot, whereas the carbon is denoted by the cross. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4 carbon electron and 1 electron is given by the hydrogen. So here you can see this 2 electron is shared by this carbon, 1 over here and 1 over here. So all the atom, carbon and the hydrogen, getting a satisfaction electrons valency like a noble gas. Here you can see the between the two carbon atom there is a 2 pair of electron is shared. Due to that 2 electron pair shared between the two carbon atom, the double bond is there. For one pair of electron it is for the single bond, another pair of electron is for a double bond. So the formula is made like this, CH2 double bond CH2. As we see in types of unsaturated hydrocarbon, that in the hydrocarbon if the between the carbon atom double bond or either triple bond is present, then it is known as an unsaturated hydrocarbon. So this is the example of the unsaturated hydrocarbon. and here double bond is there, that's why the suffix ene is used. So the formula is become a C2H4. Now let's see the next one. It's ethene. Here the YNE is used. Why YNE? Because here the triple bond is between the two carbon atom. That's why it is called the ethene. The suffix is YNE. And the general formula, here you can see according to the alkene, the formula is made the C2H2. So let's see the formula structure, electron dot structure. The total outer electron for the carbon is 4, 3 over here and 1 over here. And hydrogen possesses 1 electron is given to here. So the satisfaction is occur of hydrogen, and the carbon is required total from the 4 electron, 3 electron is over here and another 3 over here. Same over here you can see the 1 electron of carbon is here and 3 of here. Here you can see between the two carbon atom there is 3 pair of electron is shared, 1, 2 and 3. So due to that there is a triple bond formation is occurred. So it is also an example of unsaturated hydrocarbon, and triple due to the triple bond the suffix is used Y and E, and the formula of ethene is a C2H2. Here the 3 pair of electron is used for the making of bond. So the triple bond covalent bond is formed between the two carbon atom. So it is also known as a unsaturated hydrocarbon compound, and it is a ethene YNE, and the formula is C2H2. Now let's see the name, molecular formula and the structural formula of unsaturated hydrocarbon. Unsaturated hydrocarbon means alkenes ENES and alkenes YNES. For the double bond we can use alkenes ENES, and for the triple bond we can use YNES. Now here for the double bond ENE, ethane. Ethane means that indicates the carbon amount of the carbon atom, it's a 2. So as per the general formula of ethane, it is become a C2H4. Here you can see 1 and 2 carbon and the hydrogen is 4. This formula is wrong. Here only 2 hydrogen is there. This one is wrong. So don't consider it. Only 2 hydrogen. This side hydrogen is not there. So it's wrong. So the formula is become a C2H4. Now the next one, that is of a propene. It's a C3H6. So 1, 2, 3, 3 carbon and hydrogen is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is a propene. As we see previously of alkanes, that methane, ethane, propane, butane, like that. Here only the change of suffix, that ene, and a double bond is there, and according to the general formula you have to prepare this formula, that for the ethene C2H4, propene C3H6, butene it's a C4H8, like this. And one more thing that you have to keep it in mind, while making a formula you have to count first the valency of the carbon. How can I come to know that this formula is wrong? Because here you can see the valency of the carbon is 4, but here it is become a 5, 1 2 3 4 5, so its formula is a wrong. So everywhere you have to see that the carbon is satisfied, means it is covered by the 4 valency or not. Here you can see for this carbon, if you are counting, then 1 2 3 4, it's okay. Now this carbon 2 3 4 barabar hai. This carbon 1 2 3 4. So this formula is right. So that kind you have to check it out. Now for the butene as well, for if we are talking about this carbon, then 1 2 3 4 बराबर है. Now this carbon 1 2 3 4 also okay. For this carbon 1 2 3 4 okay. For this carbon 1 2 3 4 means this formula is right. So the for butane it's a C4H8. Now let's see the next one. It's for the alkenes, YNES, and this YNES is stand for the triple carbon. Triple bond between the carbon atom. So here you can see one, this for two carbon there is a triple bond. If you are checking the valency of this carbon, then 1 over here and 3 here means 4. Same for this carbon, 3 over here and 1 here means this formula is okay. So the for ethene, the general formula according to that, if we are give the value, then we get the formula C2H2, and the structural formula is H bond C, triple bond C, bond H. Bi-ethene means there is a 2 carbon, and bi-Ne means there is a 3 bond between the 2 carbon atom. Then after propene, prop means a 3 carbon, and Y-Ne means there is a triple bond between the 2 carbon atom. Then after butene, butene is used for the 4 carbon, and bi-Ne is for the triple bond. So the C4H6, it's a formula. Let's see the valency 1 2 3 4 barabar, it's okay. Now for this carbon 1 2 3 and 1 means 4. For this carbon 1 2 3 4. This carbon 1 2 3 4 means this formula is right. Now let's see the carbon compound on basis of their structure. The first one, that is of a straight, or you can say the unbranched chain. For example, C3H8. Here you can see the C is 3, whereas the hydrogen is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more hydrogen is over here, but here it is not given. So consider here also one hydrogen is there. Then and then the valency of the carbon is satisfied, as we previously discussed that carbon valency is 4. So the 1, 2, 3, 4. Here only 3 is happened. So there is must be over one hydrogen over here. So consider one hydrogen over here. So the example of straight, or you can say the unbranched change, it's a C3H8. So one hydrogen over here. Now tell me the name of this structure. Here the 3 carbon is there. Then the methane, ethane, propane. It is called the propane. Now here YNE, YNE, ENE or ANE, which kind of suffix we are using? ANE. Why? Because here everywhere the single bond is there. So it is a example of alkanes, ANE. Okay, so the carbon compound on their basics of structure, the first one, that is of a straight, or you can say the unbranched chain. There is no branch of carbon atom like this. So the example of unbranched change, it's a C3H8. So here you can see 1, 2, 3, 3 carbon and 8 hydrogen. Here in the figure only 7 is given, but here you consider one more hydrogen. It's a printing mistake, that's why. So now count the 3 carbon and 3, 3, 6, 7, 8, 8 hydrogen. So it is a name. If we anybody say that give the name of this structural formula, then first of all you have to count down the carbon atom. 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon is there. Then methane, ethane, propane. Means this is a propane. Now for the suffix, which kind of suffix we have to use? ANEN, ENEN or YNEN? So we have to go for the ANE. Why ANE? Because here everywhere only single bond is there. Between the carbon there is a single bond is there. And it is also example of saturated carbon, and it is a alkenes, example of the alkenes. Which alkenes then? It is a propane. Thank you. In next video we will discuss about the more carbon compound on basis of their structure. Thank you.